Hello guys, today I'm gonna share you my experience of the THS Academy. So let me tell you about myself. So this is Gaurav and I have been coming to THS Academy for 5 months. So firstly I would like to thank you sir for giving me this great opportunity and making me this much capable so that today I can speak in the front of the camera. So starting with my English journey, when I passed my class 12th, I got my attention to my English speaking and my personality development. So basically I was from a Hindi medium. I used to study in a Hindi medium school. So I was quite weak in English, or you can say English was not my cup of tea, or English was hard nut to crack for me. So after that I came Srinagar Gadwal and saw the board of the THS Academy, which is in the Gola market, and I didn't know where is the exact location of the THS Academy. But after that I called on that number and I talked with sir and talked about the fee structure and what is the atmosphere there. And after that I came to the academy and joined. But at the first I was in the dilemma that the academy will loot us and they are like other academies, other English academies, and will they improve my English or not? I have lots of questions in my mind. But after first day I have cleared my all question, because when I entered in the classroom was jam-packed. It's the word I learned here, and the class there is no room left in the class, and there were so many students, and all students were reading very loudly, and I thought in my mind, are they crazy or what? Because I didn't see anyone reading that loudly before. After I sat on my seat, sir told me to read books like them, but I couldn't read because I'm not habitual to this. But after I can say 5 or 6 days, I developed a habit to read books, and you will not believe me, this habit helps me a lot to improve my English and to improve my pronunciation skill and as well as my personality, and I improved a lot. And if you can say, if I look at my past self and my present self, I'm an upgraded version of myself. You can say I'm an upgraded version of myself, and I'm a developed person. And I used to be you can say I used to be an introvert person, and whenever I wanted to talk someone in English, I used to hesitate a lot, and I didn't have words what to say. Like I didn't got words to say, like I don't know. And the teachers are here very good, you can say. Environment is very, and everyone is very supportive. I made lots of friends here. So if I tell you about the facilities are very good, sir. There is a digital board here which we can learn everything. If you want to, you can say search in YouTube, and if you don't get the meaning of some words, you can search instantly, and show us many videos in YouTube which we can help ourselves with them. And facility, you can say there are lots of books here which we can learn, and I read lots of books here, and I made the habit to read books. And after joining the academy, you can say I purchased 3 books from Amazon. I want to name them. First is Psychology of Money, and the second one is Atomic Habits, and the last one is I think so Ikigai, the Japanese secret to, you can say, a long and happy life. And that's the thing. I want to recommend you to join Harry Sir Academy, because if you have questions like me in my mind, you want to improve your English, or you are from Hindi medium, if you are from any medium, but if you want to improve your English, and if you want to improve your personality and be an upgraded version of yourself, I recommend you should join THS Academy. Sorry, should is not the right word. You must join THS Academy. At last, I want to tell you about my English journey. My English journey was very good, very fantastic. I improved my English a lot. I made lots of friends, and I'm an improved version of myself. I daily come on my bike. I come now, and I come daily on my bike where 24 kilometers, like you can say, in the total 50 kilometers on my bike, from my village, from my hometown, to reach this academy to improve my English. And if you have any excuse, just look at myself, and I travel daily 50 kilometers on my bike to reach this academy and improve my English. And I am very happy I improved my English a lot so that I can speak in front of the camera and speak with anyone freely, and that's the thing. And at the last, I want to thank you, sir, and the Teachers Academy for giving me this opportunity and making me this much capable so that today I can speak English fluently. Thank you, sir.